Hi guys, if you want to learn data analytics from the scratch, you're on the right page. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be teaching you from the scratch step by step. So I'll be providing you the notes, complete roadmap for every skill, best certification websites, interview questions and tips, smart shortcuts to learn fast, real-time projects, and also I'll help you how you can build your resume. So if you have any other query, please do let me know in the comment section. This is just an intro. So in the name itself, you can see data analytics, which means analyzing the data. What exactly the data means? Data is a group of information. It can be in the form of text, numbers, images, etc. For example, here we have an employee table. In this 101 Sindhu 60,000 is a data. Okay, and these data is divided into three types: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Structured, it will be in the form of the tables where we can get this data from SQL. We'll talk about this later. And the semi-structured one, we can get these kind of data from the Excel files and JSON files. Unstructured data, which has no structure, we can get this from the images, videos, mails. So mostly the data analyst will be working on the structured and the semi-structured one. Now, coming to the main part, what is data analytics? Data analytics means collecting the data, cleaning the data, and analyzing the data. So from where we can collect the data? From the apps, websites, and surveys, and etc. So cleaning the data means we have to remove the duplicates, and if we have any kind of errors or missing values, we have to clean it. And analyzing the data, which means how it works, why it happened, and what's next. After performing these three steps, we have to make a decision to improve the business, which is the most important work for a data analyst. The importance of the data analyst is better decisions, efficiency and performance, and opportunities and risk for their business. So this is what the complete intro of the data analytics, skills that are required to learn data analytics. So the first one is technical skill, which means Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and stats. And the second one is communication. If you want to become a data analyst, so you must be proficient in English, and also you have to explain the storytelling of the data. And the last and the most important skill, which is analytical and thinking, which means problem solving and critical thinking. So nowadays, most of the people are learning these technical skills, which is Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python, and stats. But most of the companies are looking for problem solving and critical thinking, because if the business falls under a loss of, or else if the business is having any kind of problem, you must be able to solve that problem and think in depth. So in one word, I can tell that what is a good data analyst is collecting the data, cleaning and analyzing the data, visualization, and explaining what it actually means. It's just a basics to know of the salary package. So what is the salary package of a data analyst as a fresher in 2026? The average is 3 LPA to 6 LPA. But if in some cases, if you have the good skills and if it is a top company, then they might pay up to 4 LPA to 8 LPA. But the market range is 3 LPA to 7 LPA itself. And your pay will be depending on if you have a good skills, internship and projects, and the company type. So if it is an MNC, they might pay up to 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs. But if it is a startup company, your salary might start from 3 LPA. So it depending upon your skills, communications, and your projects as well. If you are someone who is having a career gap and if you are scared of coding, data analytics is the best course which I can tell you. So in data analytics, we have Python. Is it really necessary to learn Python? The simple answer is without Python, you may get a job, but it will be in the entry level job and you have a limited growth. But with Python, you will get a better salary, more opportunities, and the fast growth. As I've already explained you in the previous video, that skills matter a lot. If you're pro in all the skills, then you will be getting a more opportunities and the fast growth. So now you decide with or without.